I am Pennie. This is my mom.
So today we're gonna make strawberry cream pie with what kind of crust? Yeah, go for it. Graham cracker cinnamon crust. Ready? All right, here we go. For the graham cracker crust, we're gonna do 14 graham crackers, a 1/4 cup of sugar, sprinkle of cinnamon, and 1 stick of melted butter.
I don't think we can put 14 crackers in here. I love the taste of cinnamon.
You want me to cut the tops?
Yes.
Okay.
I'll do the rest.
And where do we put the tops of our strawberries?
In the compost.
In the where?
Compost!
Thank you. Go ahead and juice those for me, Tits. Got it? It's a 1.5 cups of chopped strawberries or diced strawberries.
Minced.
1/2 cup of mashed strawberries. Then we are going to add honey because why not? Get your fingers out of there. Next, we're going to put 4 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, 3 tablespoons of lime juice. Penelope Rose, do you know why we put lime juice in our fruit pies?
No.
Because the acidity keeps our fruit from turning brown. It tastes good and it keeps our pies pink. 4 ounces of cream cheese. Blend it up. I'm gonna scoop this out and set it aside in a separate bowl because the next thing we're gonna do is make some homemade whipped cream to put into our pie. Homemade whipped cream, super simple. A cup of heavy whipping cream, a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a little bit of, here we go. A little bit of salt.
Done. And whip it all together.
And whip it all up. And you're just going to combine this until it forms whipped cream. Take your strawberry filling, add it to your whipped cream. Did you already eat a slice of pie? Fold it together. You're not being very helpful today.
Monday Monkey Day! It's Monday Monkey Day! It's Monday Monkey Day! It's Monday Monkey Day!
You're just going to take your graham
And pour that
cracker
in there.
crust. You're going to pour it in here. And then you're going to put it in the freezer for at least 4 hours. If you're going to leave it in longer than that, you need to cover it, otherwise it gets freezer burned. Take it out about 15 minutes before you want to serve it. And that's it. Last cooking show here at Nona's house. Next time you see us, we will be coming to you from our tiny home in Buffalo, New York.
Right on Lake Erie.
Right on Lake Erie. So we are excited to show you our new kitchen and make all kinds of fun foods in Buffalo. Thank you for watching.